How did I feel when I made my first million? I think relieved is a good word. I think, look, the thing is that I think when you win something, let's say you're in the lottery and you win $1 million, it would be like ringing everybody up, popping the champagne, it would be amazing, 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 right? But when you've worked towards it for several years, and then we do this every year, we will work out our net worth. Okay, so our net worth. So all your assets minus your liabilities. Get an Excel spreadsheet and do it as soon as possible. If you don't know your net worth is, if you were to sell everything today, what would you be worth financially? Most people don't even know that. So they don't know where they are. They don't know where they want to get to. So for me, I need to know where I am. I need to know where I am, right? Just once a year. Some people do it more. You can do it every 6 months if you want to, but it has to grow every single year. And then one day, right, or 1 year, I should say, suddenly you worked it out and it was just over £1 million. And you just go, oh, we've done it. You've done it. Now, I'm not saying it's an anticlimax, but it's not like this whole joyous or rapture and whatever. But I think relief, proud, realization of how much work went into that, many years in the making. One thing I would say, though, apart from the kind of the net worth calculation, is that nowadays, having $1 million actually isn't that much anymore. By the way, I don't want anybody to feel down about this because I'm going to flip it so that you'll feel good about it. But like in the 80s, right? In the 80s, having $1 million really meant something. Like, oh my goodness, that person's a millionaire. Can I touch you? Like, oh, can I rub? Maybe it'll rub off me. You know, like, oh. Now it's like, yeah, millionaire, yeah, millionaire, yeah. How many? Oh, you got more. Yeah, it's normal because house prices, inflation. You know, it's just money's just not worth as much as it is. So $1 million actually isn't as much as it used to be. Now, what I want to tell you, therefore, is just get on with it because it's no big deal anymore. It should be like, yeah, of course I'm going to be a millionaire. Now, the question is, are you going to be a multi-millionaire? 5 million, 10 million, that now is the new millionaire status. So I would say, you know, let's get on with it because actually making it nowadays, making $1 million isn't a bigger deal as it used to be. But how do I feel about it? Relieved. Grateful, happy, but not this big celebration thing that I think most people think it's going to be. I mean, I think if you sold your business and you made loads of millions and you got the check in your hand, I think that's a big celebration. Actually, you know, thinking about it, maybe I should have celebrated some more.